Welcome. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to see who commented on your photo on Instagram. Whether you're curious about feedback on your latest post or just want to engage with your followers, this updated method will help you navigate the app with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't updated the app recently, consider doing so for the best experience. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile, where all your posts are displayed. Now, it's time to find the photo you want to check. Scroll through your feed and locate the image that has garnered comments. Once you find it, simply click on it to open the full view of that post. After opening the photo, look for the comment icon, which resembles a speech bubble. Tap on this icon to reveal all the comments made by your followers and friends. Here, you can see who has interacted with your post and what they had to say. This process not only allows you to view comments, but also gives you a chance to respond and engage with your audience directly. Engaging with comments can foster community and encourage more interaction in future posts. Remember, Instagram is continually updating its features, so keep an eye out for any new ways to interact with your content. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to stay connected with those who appreciate your photos and build stronger relationships within your Instagram community. Thank you for joining me in this guide. Now go ahead and check out those comments on your photos. Happy Instagramming!